Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if a curve passes through origin, so curve is satisfying origin, and the slope of tangent to it at any point. Slope of tangent means what? Dy by dx. At any point x comma y is this, means dy by dx is this. So, they have given you dy by dx as this component. Okay, and then we have denominator as x minus 2. If you'll observe, you can break down that numerator into x minus 2 because you have x a square minus 2ab, and from here if you will take 4 it will become 4 2 square. So can I write x minus 2 whole square, and then we will be having y plus 4. We will keep y plus 4 together, and then we have x minus 2. For formality we are doing this part. Look at this. We have dy by dx is equal to x minus 2, and then we have y plus 4, and then x minus 2. Now look at this part, how we will handle this situation. So we have to solve this differential equation first. Okay. Now the idea is we have to solve this differential equation. So what we'll do, we will apply first filter, that is variable separable method. Do you think it is variable separable method? No, you cannot segregate all x. You have factorized, you cannot put them into product. Okay. Now, do you remember that we have one filter where we have dy by dx equals to linear function in xy? We don't have it. It's quadratic function. Then we have dy by dx equals to linear by linear. We don't have that thing either. Then we have x dx plus minus y dy. We don't have that thing also. So we will try to rely on linear differential equation which look like this one. Dy by dx, if we have y over here, we want function in y over here or y. Okay, so this is the idea. Then denominator is x, so we want function in x over here and function in x over here as well. So look at this, how we will write. So we have dy by dx. If we have y over here, we want y thing over there as well. So minus of this thing has to be taken here. So y plus 4, this is y. Now we want function in x. So function in x will be 1 by x minus 2. Okay. And then we have over here x plus 2. Sorry, x minus 2. So this is the function we got. Now be very careful while writing x and y. So we want e power px dx because the function is differentiated in terms of x. So we have dx by x minus 2 is equal to e power integration minus में dx by x minus 2. Now we have this thing, we will be writing y, but who y? This is the y. In place of y you have to write this. This is y plus 4. And then we have to write q of x, means x minus 2 over here, and then whole integration. We have y plus 4 e power minus ln x minus 2. Then we have x minus 2 e power minus ln x minus 2, and then we have dx. Let's do little bit more simplification. So y plus 4 e power ln x minus 2 का power minus 1 is equal to integration x minus 2 e power ln x minus 2 का power minus 1 dx over here. So we will have y plus 4 times, you know that we will use a power log b base a, which result to b. So we will be writing x minus 2 ka power minus 1 means x plus 2, and then we have integration of x plus, sorry, x minus 2 We have x minus 2, bro. X minus 2, and then here also x minus 2 dx. So this thing gone. Okay, so integration will become x, but in place of x you will be writing x minus 2. Okay, so this is x minus 2, y plus 4, x minus 2 plus integration constant c. As the function is passing through origin, you know that it will satisfy 0 comma 0. So in place of x 0, in place of y 0. So here you got minus 2, over there also you got minus 2. The value of c is 0. So we got function as y plus 4 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.